Hey everyone! Halloween is just around the corner, and today I'm going to show you how to give your Instagram notes a spooky Halloween twist. It's super easy, and in a few quick steps, you'll have Halloween-style notes ready to share with all your followers. Let's get into it. First things first, you want to make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Just head to your App Store, search for Instagram, and hit Update if you see it. This is really important because sometimes Instagram updates features with the latest versions, and you don't want to miss out. Now, let's get to the fun part, creating a Halloween-themed note. Go to your Instagram DMs, and right at the top, you should see a space to add a new note. To make your note Halloween-themed, just include one of these magic words: pumpkin, witch, or ghost. Instagram will automatically give your note a spooky vibe with a Halloween look. So type in something like "Get ready for Halloween" or "Spooky season is here." Whatever you like, as long as one of those keywords is in there. And that's it! Now you know how to give your Instagram notes a spooky Halloween look. Go ahead and share your haunted messages with friends, and let me know in the comments what Halloween phrases you come up with. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween!